Today I'm catching up with Samsung's John Wong about the evolution of DeX, the platform that allows you to extend your Galaxy smartphone to the desktop, complete with monitor, keyboard, and mouse. John, tell us about some of the improvements that you're making to Samsung DeX with the launch of the Galaxy Note 9.
Sure, so we've done two really cool things. So the first is actually making it incredibly easy to connect to DeX. The second is providing the capability to continue using your phone screen, all while you're powering Samsung DeX on the big screen.
So now you can work on DeX with a simple HDMI or multi-port adapter. Is DeX an accessory or is it something else?
So DeX really isn't about the accessory, it's that it's a mobile powered computing platform. And it's really about, the phone, the hardware, the software, the apps and the data that's on that phone, and just extending that to that desktop environment to give you that PC-like experience for multiple resizable windows, drag and drop, and just having that larger environment with the external keyboard, mouse, bigger screen to stay super productive.
In the business context, a lot of users are still reliant on those desktop apps. Can DeX really enable them to get their work done?
From office productivity to communication and collaboration to even creativity apps, we've worked with leading partners to make sure that they're DeX optimized. So whether you're working in Microsoft Office or Adobe Photoshop Sketch or even VDI solution from Citrix, VMware, or Amazon, you're going to have that rich desktop experience.
What kind of organizations are showing the most interest in DeX and the most interest in going mobile only?
So essentially any highly mobile worker can benefit from Samsung DeX. So a great example is in public safety with DeX in Car. We're seeing a tremendous amount of interest of replacing rugged laptops with a DeX solution. Even in highly regulated environments like federal government, and because DeX is all about the phone, and that phone is protected by Samsung Knox Mobile Security, workers can seamlessly and securely access their sensitive apps and data.
John, how is DeX impacting the way you work personally?
So a great example of that is I love having my presentations up and running through DeX on the big screen, but then I can still use the phone screen to take the notes that I have during the meeting. I probably have a ton of dust on my laptop because I literally haven't pulled the thing out in ages. I'm mobile only with DeX, so whether it's at home, at the office, or on the go, I can still stay productive.
For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.